Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using a saved GIF so PowerPoint can render its frames. Once you open the target slide, insert the GIF via Insert Pictures this device or online, choose the exact GIF file and press Insert. You do this now because a proper file and slide placement determine playback behavior. After insertion, make sure the GIF appears as an image frame on the slide. This confirms the file is embedded and ready for playback in the next steps. Once the GIF is on the slide, you adjust size and style so it reads well during playback. Resize by dragging corners, hold Shift to lock aspect ratio, and use Format Picture to crop or add a subtle border for contrast. Make sure the GIF isn't hidden behind other objects by using Arrange Bring Forward. If you need it to appear at a specific time, layer objects or use slide transitions, but remember the GIF frames play automatically in slide show mode without extra animation setup. You finish by always previewing in slideshow mode. Use slideshow or Shift plus F5 because GIF only animate in presentation mode. This validates timing and placement. Once satisfied, export a test video to confirm behavior on other devices. If the GIF does not animate, check one key troubleshooting tip. Ensure you inserted an actual GIF file, not a renamed PNG/JPG, and that it's embedded rather than linked. Reinsert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.